Unit 2, Kinematics, Python Lab Project, Spherical Manipulator, Second Degree of Freedom Modeling. In this assignment, you are going to provide the model for this second degree of freedom spherical robotic arm, and we would like you to come out with the inverse kinematics equations. So the model you see here may not be complete because I do not put the frame coordinate XYZ to here. You have to assign it by yourself. But given the A1, A2, A3, three link lengths, they are all equals 1. The end effector is on the right-hand side. The end effector, you can assume it is over here. It's over here. Its end effector is over here. So now, given any SYD with respect to the frame 0, then how can you calculate theta 1 and theta 2? That would be our goal for this assignment. So basically, in this problem, you need to turn in the following things. First, you need to use mathematical modeling to determine the workspace of this manipulator under all possible XYZ, given the frame that you specify by yourself. Then given the A1, A2, A3 are all 1, find all the possible theta 1 and theta 2 so that you can determine the workspace, the whole space that you allow the XYZ to reach. And then part 2, given a point XYZ within the workspace. So this number will be something that you come up with. And you need to, based on those numbers, this number must be valid. And then you try to find the formula for theta 1 and theta 2. So write this formula down, and also please take a picture of it or scan it into a JPEG file or PDF file and send it to the homework, upload it as a homework, part of the homework. You can put those answers for the workspace and this picture and also the Python program together in a directory and zip them together. Part 3, write a program to calculate these two angles for all given XYZ with respect to frame 0. That frame 0 you can assign by yourself. So you may use any system you like. So usually I would see students using a system that is X0, Y0, Z0, or you can use X0, Y0, and Z0, up to you. Maybe this one preferred. It's up to you actually. So please prepare these different things, the workspace range, the formula for theta 1 and theta 2, and also the program that can calculate theta 1 and theta 2 in Python, and then put them together into a directory and then submit it using a zip file. Okay, thank you. Bye now.